Hello, how you going everybody? I hope you're doing well. Listen, I'm just making a very quick video about Luna, and actually the airdrop has just come out. So if you're one of those very unfortunate people like myself that lost a lot of money in Luna, then now's a good time to hopefully get back a little of those losses. So as you probably are already aware, the Luna token, the new one that's being airdropped, is the ticker is Luna, Luna, and the old Luna, the previous one, is Lunc. Okay, so that's Terra Luna Classic. So currently, you can see the price on CoinGecko is $18.88. Okay, and so hopefully you guys have received the airdrop already. If you have had your funds in your Terra wallet, then the best way to see how much airdrop you have is to paste in your wallet address into the Terra Finder. So that's really easy to do. So just go over to your Terra wallet, copy your address and paste it into the Finder search box. By the way, I'll leave all these links in the description, and then search your address. Okay, and you'll see your Luna that has been airdropped, how much you have, and how much you'll be receiving in the future, vesting Luna. So I'll be getting another 25%, which will be released on November 24th, and I'll also be getting some more on May 23rd. Released in 2023. Okay, so I guess that's I'm hoping the prices can sustain. I have received my Luna. What I'm probably going to do is, more than likely, I'll probably deposit that over onto an exchange and sell the partial Luna of the airdrop that I have received, and I'll sell that, get some of my losses back, and I guess I'll be a long-term investor with the remaining Luna that is being currently vested. So yeah, yep, so that's some of our losses back at least. Oh yeah, one more thing that I shouldn't forget to add is that when you actually deposit your Luna airdrop into your exchange, for example Binance or KuCoin or wherever you decide to send it to, please don't forget your memo. Okay, so of course you need the deposit account and also the memo. So if you don't put that in, that could be quite a serious problem. And one thing I do is I always send a test amount first. So yeah, make sure you do that, guys. Alright, so good luck with that, and let's hope for better days in the future. So guys, keep your head up and stay positive out there. Be smart, and don't give up in the bear market, because from what I hear, that's when the real profits are made. So guys, let's stick together in these hard times, and be productive. Be as productive as you can. Okay guys, so signing out for today. Keep your heads up everybody, and hopefully let's stick around for the next bull market. Goodbye everyone.